What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles. I'm going to explain to you why motorcycles sometimes shoot flames out of the exhaust. Let's do a little demonstration of what I'm talking about. This is a Yamaha FZ6R with a Two Brothers racing pipe. So you guys got to see a little bit of flame. What's going on there is, let's look at this. So what you got going on is you got a little fire. You got a little fire inside that motor. It's burning all the time. Fire is what creates the power to move the motorcycle. Basically, it's powered by fire, fueled by fuel. Imagine like a freight train where you got these guys, they're shoveling coal into the fire. The hotter the fire, the faster the bike goes. That's what's going on right here. Every time you open up the throttle, opens up a little bit a door. That door spins the chain. Chain spins the sprocket. Sprocket spins the wheel. Wheel spins you. Fire comes out the tailpipe. With a stock exhaust, there's too much. They have like fire retardant stuff in there to stop it. With an aftermarket exhaust, it releases the fire, making more power for your motorcycle. Oh, this is nonsense, guys. Don't believe this. Don't believe anything I say. This is all absolute nonsense. But this bike is for sale. We'll see you guys later. Check out srkcycles.com where we do test drives.